Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when only one earbud isn't working. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, close the case and open it again. Now, if it didn't help you, we should make a hard reset, so remove your headphones from the charging case and press and hold both touches buttons on your headphones for at least 10 seconds. Cool. Now, put your headphones to the charging case and click on the headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!